Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Bonk Beans. Basically it's a BNB miner and let's have a look at it. First of all, starting with 8% daily returns, your earnings will grow even more as the total value locked in the contract increases and vice versa, okay? Plus you can earn even more by inviting other players using your referral link and receiving 10% of their BNB purchases directly in your wallet, okay? How does it actually work? Basically, you give them your BNB and you hire miners and those miners will get your rewards, okay? Take profit. Our contract includes a special mechanism to prevent dumping and ensure fairness, okay? When you make your first withdrawal, you won't be charged any penalty tax, only a regular 5% tax for withdrawal, okay? So compound, you can compound and increase your ROI. And it's interesting there, they also have NFTs. And if you mint any of the NFTs, you will increase your ROI. For example, I will show you guys. Here, if you buy this one, you will get like 10%. If you mint this one, 12%. If you mint this one, 15%. Okay. So there's a tax, pretty high tax if you withdraw, but not at the beginning. When you deposit in Bonk Beans, you will be subject to a 5% tax and a 10% referral tax. But this increases, let me show you guys. Get your first profit for free, then a penalty tax is added to the regular tax. It starts at 90% and decreases by 5% every 12 hours. I will show this in detail because we're gonna have a look at the contract now. So, as you can see here, backdoors, the smart contract has been examined and reviewed by the stamp. We found no backdoor, no vulnerability in the smart contract. But guys, how does it work? Is this sustainable? Actually, I will show you guys no, because this is a miner type of yield farm that relies on funds invested to pay out existing users. Yeah, if the contract reaches, then investors will not be paid out anymore. This means, for example, guys, you invest now in it, and your investment is locked in the contract, so you cannot get it back, you just get your rewards, okay? And once new people stop coming in, for example, if you deposit today, your money will be used to pay the rewards to someone who invested, for example, let's say 3 days ago. So once new people stop coming in, guess what? You will not get any rewards or a tiny bit of rewards until it completely breaks down. Yeah, so this is how the app looks like. Daily returns 8%, minimum deposit 0.05 BNB, total locked value 206.58 BNB. So as always guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but would I invest in this project? Of course not, okay? Because once new people stop coming in, you will get no rewards and there's no chance that you will get your initial investment back, okay guys? So always do your own research, but I would not invest in this, okay? Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments and see you.